Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Coachmen Apex. It's an ultralight unit. It's a 267 RKS. It's got a power tongue jack, double propane tanks here. It's got the protective diamond plate for your rock chips, your spare tires right up front here as well. As we walk around here to the side, it's got a great pass-through storage that does have a light in it, which is nice. Nice big power awning, frameless windows, bigger door handle. Let's hop inside and check this guy out. Awesome kitchen area in here. Nice big fridge. I like how they put this here for if you've got someone sitting at the couch, they can put their plate there and still eat. So it's kind of like an extra plate, a spot for your plate, and then you got this big U-shaped booth for a smaller trailer. That's really nice. Lots of counter space, and it's a rear kitchen view, so you got great views. It does have the upgraded faucet, a nice double sink for you. Real easy to maintain and keep clean. They got the linoleum in all the right places. Upgraded cooktop oven there, which is really nice. Nice little entertainment center on this unit. Then let's go in here and check out all this extra storage. It's got a lot of storage. Great storage. Adjustable shelf. More storage over here, which, here, let me open that up all the way so we can get a good look at it. Lots of great storage. Anyways, onto the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, it's got a Jack and Jill bath. If you want to walk through, and corner shower, nice little medicine cabinet, sink, toilet. And then go into the bedroom, which has a full walk-around bed. Closets on each side, which are really nice. Lots of storage up underneath, of course, as well. Now, folks, if you like this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.